So on this problem, the same thing applies always. When we're asked to solve something, we always want to make it look like x equals some stuff. And the way that we do that is we do the opposite. So this is one of the problems from your homework assignment. You might have different numbers. I can't tell you which number it'll be. For me, it's number 1, but it might be number 5 for you guys. I don't know. So anyways, we kind of do order of operations backwards. I want to move this, so I'm trying to get to this x. So that means I got to move the 3, I got to move the 2, I've got to move the 5. The 3 is the furthest away from the x, so let's do that one first. Since 3 is being multiplied by this stuff, I can move it by dividing by 3. Now remember, whatever I do on one side, I got to do to the other side. So 3 divided by 3 is just 1, so now I'm left with the square root of 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 3, which is just 3, right? So now what would be nice is to get rid of this square root symbol. So how do I get rid of a square root? I square it. Because remember, this is a square root or a second root. And so if I square it, that's how you do the opposite, right? Do the opposite. Well, whatever I do on one side, I have to do to the other. So in a weird way, these cancel, and I'm left with just the base, which is 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 squared. Remember that 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. So then this is 9. Now from here, I think everybody in here can do this. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And I get 2x is equal to 9 plus 5, which is 14. Then I get rid of the 2 because 2x means 2 times x. So I divide by 2. Whatever I do on one side, I do to the other. And I get x equals 7. Now you could verify that a couple of different ways, but the easiest way is to check. So would I do this on my homework? Maybe, if I wanted to get every point possible. So what I would do is I would say 3 times the square root of 2, but wherever there's an x, I would plug in 7. Right? Minus 5, and that should equal 9. Now you could do the math, or you could just, at this point, just put it in your fancy calculator. So I could say 3 times the square root of 2 times 7 minus 5. Is that right? Yeah. So then when I hit enter, it should equal 9. Get on my level. It's 9. So that's right. So yay, we did it right. That's it for that one.